Alright, YouTubers and other fan collectors, this is the first of two 48-inch DEMCOs. As you can tell, the bottom nut is completely busted off. It's not exactly had a good life. It had a little bit of bearing noise to it. I gave it some oil. It's actually quiet. It's actually silent now, so it runs pretty good. Same thing, no mounting hardware. This one, there's no label on it that's visible, just half a label, so it's not really worth showing a video. But let's put it through its paces. Start off on low speed. Still using the Dayton 3 amp variable speed control. I have one more of these to test after this. The last one's in the worst condition. This one's not terrible. No one's claimed these fans yet, so these two 48-inch ones will probably be for sale either through Facebook or eBay, depending on how I feel like selling them, or if anyone wants them, or trade offers, yada yada, all that stuff. Either way, nice low speed. Let's go to a medium speed on the variable speed control. On there. Already moving a pretty good amount of air. This one draws a little more than the 36-inch. I think the 36-inch one's like half an amp or a little over. This one's like 0.6 amps, so it's not much, but you know, a little bit bigger motor. Let's go ahead and go to full blast. Once again, these are really good industrials with a cast aluminum housing. It is a shame the bottom portion is broken, but it happens. It's plastic, not surprised. So, let's go ahead and take a closer look. So yeah, this one's been beaten up just a little bit. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Like I said, this one will be for sale, along with the last one I have to still test. I have still not been able to find a 56-inch version of this fan. I know they were made. I didn't really see them as in my childhood, but I definitely know they were made. My childhood ones, unfortunately, are long gone. They got destroyed in a hurricane, then a fire in New Jersey on the Seaside Heights Boardwalk. They were inside of a C's candy shop. They had, I believe, several of the brown ones in two different locations, and 36-inch, and then one location also had a 48-inch in brown. I'm lucky enough to have found a 48-inch in brown, which I've kept, but a 38-inch in brown I have not found, which I would like to find one, and I have not found any 56-inch DEMCOs. So, either way, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.